Everyday activities: eating, drinking, cooking, reading, studying, teaching, singing, sleeping, swimming, planting, watching TV, listening to music, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, cleaning the house, playing cards, playing baseball, playing the piano. Present continuous tense. What am I doing? What is he doing? What is she doing? What is it doing? What are we doing? What are you doing? What are they doing? I'm eating. He's eating. She's eating. It's eating. We're eating. You're eating. They're eating. Let's practice. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm reading. What are you doing? We're cooking. What are the children doing? They are studying. What's Eric doing? He's eating. What's Mary doing? She's watching TV. What's your cat doing? It's sleeping. Let's practice some more. What are you doing? What's your mom doing? She's reading the newspaper. What are Mr. and Mrs. Lee doing? They are cooking dinner. What is Lisa doing? She is doing her homework. What is Ben doing? He is sleeping. What are you doing? I am washing the dishes. What is she doing? She is watching TV. What are they doing? They are playing baseball. What is Lily doing? She is playing the piano. Everyday activities.